Hey YouTube, this is Airsoft Kings 104, and I am doing a review on my mp5k number 2. I have two of them now, and this one is also gold, and this one is semi right here, then safety, and then full auto. The full auto is broken, as you can hear, like that, and for semi, you just push it up like this, and you pull this back, and the clip does not come out. All your ammo goes right on top in here in the hole, just like my other one. And the sights are okay, and it's 150 to 200 FPS, and it's about $50 at Walmart, and it's very nice. You can get it at Walmart, Sports Authority.
So your friend painted it.
And my friend, as in some of my other videos, he does the shotguns and the pistols, and he spray painted this, and like all the other ones, he did a great job, and he takes them apart and spray paints them. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave comments.